Hi, this is Wizy Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to edit your WhatsApp avatar. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So, let's go! WhatsApp allows users to create an avatar that can be used to represent them throughout the messaging application. Once a user creates an avatar, they can update it in the future if they want to change its appearance, clothing, and or the accessories. In this video, I will show you how to do this. So first of all, of course, we have to open our WhatsApp. Now you can tap on the upper right corner, the three dots over here. Tap on settings. Now you can tap on avatar. So here's my avatars. If you want to edit or change the avatar, you can tap on the pen icon here. Tap on that. And here you can change your appearance like your hairstyle, your face shape, or eyes, or the makeup for your avatar. For the example, I will try to change the hairstyle. I will use this one, and I will change the A shape. You can add more makeup on your avatar. Like this. After you finish, you can also change the lip color here. You can add makeup. If you've done, you can tap on the upper right corner, save here to save your new look on your avatar. Your avatar is being updated. You can show off your avatar's new look with profile updates and personalized stickers on WhatsApp. Avatars are public and may be shared or interacted with by friends. Tap on next. So here's your new avatar. So that is how to edit your avatars on WhatsApp. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you!